So this is numbers 14 through 17 on the study guide. Number 14 says that we're to look at the parallelogram. The parallelogram here says that this side here is going to be 25 units. We're told that Rx here is 16 units. We're told that STU, this whole angle right here, is going to be 42.4 degrees. So we're first asked to find ST. Well, if we know that this is a parallelogram, then the opposite sides have to be congruent. So if RU is 25, so is ST. And then if you'll look, we've been asked to next find XT. Well, inside a parallelogram, the diagonals are bisected. That's another condition. So if this is 16 units, then this also has to be 16 units. And then also, if you look, the measure of RST is what we're supposed to find. And we were given the total angle here already of 42.4 degrees. And inside a parallelogram, the consecutive angles are going to be supplementary, which means they would add up to be 180. So to find this angle, all we have to do is take 180 degrees and subtract 42.4 degrees to get a total of 137.6 degrees for the measure of angle RST. On number 17, we've been told we have a parallelogram ABCD, and we've been given the points. So I'm going to go ahead and plot these. A is 2, -6. B is -1, 2. C is 5, 3. And we're supposed to find D, the vertex D. Now you kind of have to pay attention to the order of these letters. Because really you could, and let me go ahead and connect these. Maybe it'll make it a little easier for you to visually see. Now, if we did it this way, I want you to look. We could move potentially that same slope here where we're going, you have to kind of follow the slope where you say, okay, from here I'm going to go down 1 and then over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units. So we're going to go down 1 and then over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units. And sure, if I connected this would look like a parallelogram, but you have to be careful. Look at this. It says A, B, C, D. If you'll remember right, when you're naming the parallelogram, A, B, C, D has to go around it. So this right here is an answer that is not going to be acceptable. So we need to go the other way. So I'm going to grab a different marker here. Looks like yellow is my only option. And I'm going to go ahead and draw the lines here. Maybe I'll just go with a pencil. Now, if you look at this one, then we could do the same idea over here. So again, we're going to go, from here we're going to go up 1, and then we're going to go over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units. So up 1, and then over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units, which would be where our D would be. And now look, if we connect this, it would be A, B, C, D, which does follow the order of our parallelogram. So this right here is the only answer that is going to be allowed. And if you look at that, that answer is going to be 8, -5.